Hello guys, this is Crypto Insider and welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be talking about the DUROV CAP airdrop. This airdrop just launched some hours ago and it's being talked about everywhere on social media by influencers. As you can see, it's basically the talk of social media currently, and I guess it's probably just like dogs, pixels and nuts coin. So I will basically just have 7 days to farm. So let's get down, let's know how we can maximize from this airdrop and get as much points as possible. So this is the dashboard. I currently joined some hours ago and I currently have 0 points or 0 caps. In order for you to get points, you need to refer friends to get 15 points, and then if you share to your story, you'll be getting 50 points too. So over to this other bar. But these are also other ways we can get lots of points. So if you invite 3 friends, you're getting 50 tickets. If you invite 5 friends, you're getting 100 tickets. 10 friends gives you 150 tickets. If you say consent to share to your story, you get 50 tickets. If you subscribe to their channel, let's subscribe. Okay, I got awarded 100 tickets for subscribing to their channel. Okay, I currently it's not up to 1 million yet, so it's still a bit on the farm, so yeah, I say early. So back to caps. So you also get 5 tickets for a friend you invite, and then 15 tickets if you invite a friend using Telegram Premium. And I also guess the friends you invite are also able to give you enough tickets. So this is the leaderboard. It has not been updated yet since the airdrop is not up to 24 hours. So there's no much information about this airdrop now, but as it unfolds, I'll let us know the latest updates. I think this section here is still incognito because there's nothing there. I guess there's something supposed to be there, maybe wireless connection and or other ways to earn points. Please do well to like this video, subscribe and turn on post notifications so that you'll be the first to get my videos whenever I release the videos. Thank you for watching.